put the little tin flower holder off to the side. We will cut this down later because it is too big for the tin and I like want it like halfway. So, and then your rope and all that just off to the side, and we'll deal with that in a minute. I got 2 of each flower color. And then I have some grass on the side. I'm not really sure if I'll use it. It says onion grass, so I keep saying grass, but whatever. But I'm not sure if I'll use this, so we'll see. Then you just get each color and then place them next to each other, and then we will fluff them up as we go. I'm gonna do purple, light yellow, dark yellow, and then red, but you could also reverse this and then do red, dark yellow, like if you put it this way, and it would still look pretty, so yeah. So you can tell that they need to be at least halfway cut. So I was thinking at each baseline and then just individually stick them in the foam, and I will actually cut this in half and then stick them. I possibly will cut hot glue them individually, but I want to see what they look like first, just stuck down. Okay, so after you cut it in half, you'll cut it into, I guess, like thirds and then like little baby parts. I don't know, but do it like this. I'll have to show you on the next one how to do this, but this big block is in half, and then the other big block is in half, and then that one is in parts. Okay, so I'm just going to pull them apart and separate them so it's just easier to get to. You can actually pull it a little bit further down. If you don't have wire cutters, you can bend this wire back and forth until it snaps, or you can get your kitchen scissors and then just kind of cut close to where you want it to do, and kind of bend it back and forth, but then at the same time like try to cut through the wire. It is difficult because I don't have wire cutters right now, so it's kind of difficult to film and try to cut this, but so I'm just going to try to do the best I can. These scissors kind of suck for this, but yeah, you see me struggling, so I probably should have got wire cutters at the Dollar Tree, but I did not see any this time. So at this point it should be able to bend back and forth because I just did it to my other one. Okay, there, and then it breaks off. So then you have it separated, and you have to do that to the rest of these flowers. Ugh. Now I have them cut and they're all separated in the colors that I want it to be, and then I have the grass to the side. The grass probably will not necessarily, like, it's gonna look dorky if I just did it that way, so I'm probably gonna have to figure out how to take it off individually and just kind of like put it throughout the whole sections. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So we're gonna start with the red first and just stick it in the hole, if I can get it in the hole. Okay. And that's what it would look like if I leave it at that height. Unsure if I want to leave it at that height, so I probably will trim some of it down, but we're gonna lay down the red first. So I'll put a couple in here, and then to speed up the process I will stop and then just let it go past that. So yeah. Okay, this is one side so far, so, and then that's what it looks like at the bottom. This is the finished full flowers in here. So I did it with the red, dark yellow, light yellow, and then purple, but you could also do it however you wanted to, but you could also turn it around and do it with the purple, light yellow, however you want to. But yeah, I just think if you turn it this way, not only does it look a little bit fuller, but the red looks better starting out, and then purple that way. I don't know, I'm weird, but yeah. So we're gonna see if this grass will look good in here. So I cut off, I just got this, and then I cut off each individual thing. I pulled it apart from the actual thing. You can see those little bulb thingies, and then I just took that apart and then spaced out everything, and then we will just put these back on here, push them in, and then push them all the way down, and then spread them out throughout the flowers. And then possibly if this shows in the background, then we'll probably just take that out and then cut it down depending on what it looks like. So yeah, so I'm going to start about midway and try to get this tripod to work for y'all. I need to get this starter a tripod, but okay, start about midway and then just push it down between the flowers. Okay, so once it's in there, then I'll just use the flowers to kind of cover up the grass, and then fluff up the flowers so you can't really see the grass, so that way it begins to look like that, where you cannot really see where the grass stem starts. And I did have to trim down the little piece, so I just cut it halfway. I found these little things that actually have, okay, they actually have wire cutters in them, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have to buy a tripod because the tripod a minute ago is just shaking the camera so bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the grass in here. So you'll have about 6 of these things, I guess, to put in here. So here's with the grass. It kind of gives a little more texture, I would say, but I'm just not really sure if I 100% like it or not. I'm not even sure if these actual, I don't know what the name of these flowers would, like in real life, I don't know the name of these flowers, so I'm not even sure if they would have like grass, in the background, but yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cute, but just debating if I should keep the grass in there. Here is the whole entire finished thing and the rope added. The only spot that I messed up is right here where it overlaps, and we'll probably cut this right where it will mesh together. But other than that, this is the cute finished product, and I'm partially wanting to sell this one just to see if these are a thing that would sell, like farmhouse type things. I don't know, but I also think it's really cute. If it doesn't sell, then it will go in my kitchen or bathroom, one of those. But yeah, alright, let me know what y'all's opinions are and what else you would like to see me do, because I love doing crafts along with like makeup and everything, but I also love doing crafts, so I have a lot of things that I want to do. So see y'all next time. Bye y'all.